Welcome back, all of you. This is our last question for this chapter. So I hope you guys are excited because the pattern of this question is bit different than what we have seen till now. एक बार देख लेते हैं झलक तो आपको भी पता चलेगा what I'm trying to say. So here we go. This is your question number 9 from your booklet. If you look at the pattern, this is bit different, right? अभी तक जितने भी क्वेश्चंस किए हमने उसमें पैराग्राफ वाइज क्वेश्चन आ रहा था. वी वर एग्जैक्टली नोइंग वेदर वी हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इन द बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉवर और ड्रॉई. द नेम्स वर गिवन, द कनेक्ट इज गिवन. फर्स्ट व्हाट हैपेंड, गुड सेल किया, परचेज किया, फिर बिल बना, फिर शायद इनसॉल्वेंट हो गया तो वापस क्या हो गया, या फिर अगर रिन्यूअल है तो रिन्यू किया फिर इंसॉल्वेंट हुआ. वॉट एवर, देर आर डिफरेंट केसेस ऑल्सो. सो वी वर नोइंग द लिंक ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. एक लिंक में क्वेश्चन आगे आगे बढ़ रहा था. ओके, दैट क्वेश्चन यूजुअली इज कॉल्ड एज सिंगल ड्रॉई क्वेश्चन. नाउ हियर द क्वेश्चन पैटर्न इज टोटली डिफरेंट. वी हैव ईच ट्रांजैक्शन, वी विल read that transaction, will write journal entry and move straight away to the next transaction. These are not interlinked. Okay, these are individual, like adjustment wise transactions. एक adjustment कर दिया, बात खत्म, वो भूल जाओ, फिर आगे बढ़ो, second adjustment करो, वो उधर के उधर छोड़ दो, मतलब भूल जाओ या आगे बढ़ो ऐसा. So these are usually commonly known as multiple drawing questions. Okay, पहले जो था वो single drawing questions था. These are multiple drawing because in these transactions, in first transaction the drawing might be different, in second transaction the drawing might be different, in third transaction the drawing might be different. Okay, so these are multiple drawing questions. In earlier questions drawing was same, there was a link to it. Okay, now here also it does not mean that we will be drawer always. Okay, like I'm reading this question, journalize the following transactions in the books of Chirag. So it might happen that in some of the transactions Chirag is drawer, but in rest of the transactions Chirag might be drawee also. So we never know. Whatever information is given, we have to stick to it, we have to write journal entry of it, and then we'll move forward. So few people, few students consider this as simple कि मुझे बाकी कुछ याद ही नहीं रखना, जो दिया है एंट्री करो, आगे बढ़ो. Great. Few people find that earlier transactions are simple. क्यों? क्योंकि एक लिंक दिया था सर, हमें पता था स्टार्ट में ये हुआ, अच्छा फिर ये हुआ, फिर ये हुआ, फिर ये हुआ, ये फिर ये हुआ. इट इज ओके, बट वी हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर बोथ. आपको जो सिंपल लगता है वो एग्जाम में आता है क्या कभी भी? नहीं. तो इसीलिए आपको दोनों के लिए प्रिपेयर होना है, क्योंकि इन बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज देयर माइट बी अ क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन सिंगल ड्रॉई और मल्टीपल ड्रॉई. I'm just naming it. These are not formal names, commonly known as this. Okay, so हमें पता नहीं है आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम में कौन सा क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, whether it is for that type or this type. तो दोनों के लिए well prepared होना है. Okay, so here we go. We have to record transactions in the books of Chirag. देखो क्या क्या ट्रांजेक्शन है. फर्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन, बैंक इन्फॉर्म दैट Bansal's acceptance for 15,750 sent to bank for collection has been honored and bank charges debited 150. Great. Here Bansal's acceptance, that means Bansal has accepted the bill. So Bansal is drawee, Chirag is drawer. We are drawer. We are writing in the books of Chirag, no? So assume yourself as Chirag. So we are drawer. Asha informs Chirag that Neha's acceptance endorsed to Asha has been dishonored. Noting charges paid by Asha amounted to 330. Now again here, Neha's acceptance, that means Neha is drawee, Chirag is drawer, and Asha is endorsee. Okay, we have endorsed the bill from Neha to Asha. Bank informed that Vasu's acceptance 32,400, which was discounted with bank, dishonored. Bank paid noting charges. So Vasu's acceptance, that means that person is drawee. So again Chirag would be drawer, and then it was discounted with bank. Bhanu's acceptance, Bhanu is drawee. So Chirag gonna be drawer. Of 19,800 was dishonored, which was deposited in bank for collection. So you have 4 different transactions and 4 different treatments of it. Some of it is for endorsement, some of it is for BFC, some of it is for discounting, and so on. Okay, so here we go. Let us try to get solution for these transactions. So first transaction, what we need is this, Chirag's journal. So if you are not ready with journal, pause the video, make journal and then resume it. Right now, the first transaction will check. Bank informs that Bansal's acceptance 15750 sent to bank for collection has been honored and bank charges debited 150. So very simple, one entry we have to record for it. Bank account debit. Now the amount would be 15600. Now why 15600? Please look at here. Bank for collection is 15750. Now, as Bansal paid us 15750, we know, हमें बंसल ने 15750 दिया है, लेकिन उसमें से 150 तो बैंक चार्जेस के लिए गया है, तो एक्चुअली मेरे बैंक में कितना बचा? 15600. सो इसीलिए बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 15600. बैंक चार्जेस इज आर एक्सपेंस, इट इज नॉट ड्रॉइज एक्सपेंस. ये हमने अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए बैंक में दिया था, बिल सेंड किया था, ठीक है, तो ये हमें ही बेयर करना पड़ेगा. सो बैंक चार्जेस डेबिट 150 टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन 15750. Alternatively, if you are getting confused in this combined entry, you can write a separate entry, no problem. You can write Bansal's, not Bansal, bank account debit to bank for collection account amount 15750. I repeat, bank to bank for collection 15750 and another entry bank charges to bank 150. दो अलग अलग एंट्री लिखो अगर कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो. पहले बंसल से पैसा मिला उसका और फिर बैंक चार्जेस पे किया उसका, कंबाइन करना है तो ये सामने है ही आपके पास. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 15750 माइनस 150, क्योंकि उतना पैसा वापस देना पड़ा तो बैंक में अपने 15600 गया. बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट एज इट इज आर एक्सपेंस 150 एंड बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन. नाउ बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन इज नो मोर अ डेटर. वी विल नॉट आस्क बैंक नाउ कि क्या हुआ बंसल के बिल का, मिल गया पैसा, सो वी आर कैंसलिंग इट. ओके, 15750. It is up to you whether to record a combined entry or write two separate entries. If you're writing two separate entries and these are correct, you'll get the same marks what you'll get for it. The only thing is it should be correct. Now, second transaction. Asha informs Chirag that Neha's acceptance for 23,000 endorsed to Asha has been dishonored and noting charges paid by Asha amounted to 330. So first of all, this endorsed bill dishonored, that means Neha becomes her debtor and Asha becomes her creditor. We will take noting charges from Neha and we will pay it to Asha. So Neha becomes her debtor for 23,330 and for same amount Asha becomes her creditor. So discount endorsed bill dishonored, the entry would be Neha's account debit to Asha's account with the full amount 23,330 as I have just now explained you. ओके, नेहा अपनी डेटर है, आशा अपनी क्रेडिटर है. हम नेहा से बिल प्लस नोटिंग चार्जेस वसूल करेंगे और आशा को हमें बिल प्लस नोटिंग चार्जेस देना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज द अमाउंट वी हैव. फाइन, दिस वुड बी योर नरेशन. प्लीज सी इट वंस एंड देन विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. ये हो गया, सेकेंड ट्रांजेक्शन हो गया. इसीलिए कुछ लोगों को ये इजी लगता है कि अरे बस सर हर एक ट्रांजेक्शन का एक एक एंट्री लिख रहे आगे बढ़ रहे. इट इज ओके, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि वो वाला पैटर्न नहीं आ सकता एग्जाम में, तो दोनों रेडी रखो. चलो नेक्स्ट. बैंक इन्फॉर्म दैट Vasu's acceptance 32,400 which was discounted with bank was dishonored. Bank paid noting charges 460. Again, discounted bill dishonored, that means bank becomes her creditor and Vasu या Vasu whatever you pronounce here, Vasu becomes her debtor. Okay, for how much? For bill amount plus noting charges will recover from Vasu, will pay it to bank. So Vasu is debtor for 32,860. So Vasu's account debit 32,860 to bank account, same amount 32,860. Narration. Being Vasu's dishonored, Vasu dishonored his own acceptance and noting charges due. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next one, fourth transaction. Bhanu's acceptance 19,800 was dishonored, which was deposited with bank for collection. So BFC bill dishonored, that means Bhanu becomes our debtor again and bank has done its part. So we have to cancel bill for collection or bank for collection account. So Bhanu's account debit as he becomes our debtor and bank was a temporary debtor, we can say. We were asking bank, भानु के अमाउंट का क्या हुआ, तो बैंक ने बोल दिया हमने ये सब देख लिया है, भानु इज नॉट पेइंग अस, सो बैंक का काम खत्म हो गया. So bank ceases to be debtor now. Bank for collection account is credited, as we have to reverse the entry. Earlier we must have debited it, now we are crediting it. Bhanu's account debit to bank for collection account 19,800. Here we go. This is our narration. Okay. So for 4 transactions, we have recorded 4 journal entries. That's it. So this is what you will do for multiple drawing questions. Now what we'll do is to take total. So total for journal is 91,740 for debit as well as credit, obviously. So this is where our question number 9 ends. This is where our chapter ends. Okay, and this is where our module is also ending here. आप क्या करोगे, तो अभी आपको ये चैप्टर में से हर बात पता है, क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करना है ये भी पता है. तो हमने तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस किए हैं जिनमें मेजॉरिटी ट्रांजैक्शंस आए ऐसे, बाकी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस बाकी है, तो अभी आप वो सॉल्व करो. होमवर्क सेक्शन में भी है, प्रैक्टिस सेक्शन में, क्लास वर्क सेक्शन में भी मिलेंगे, तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस, बस यही तो करना है एक्सेलेंस के लिए. ठीक है, सो आई विल मीट यू in another chapter. Till then, keep on practicing for bills of exchange.